Hello, welcome back. Today's hair tutorial is 3 easy spring hairstyles, perfect for spring events, weddings, or if you want to try something new. Let's start with what I call the Pinterest braid. It's soft, full, and looks beautiful. Now, if your hair is on the finer side or you just want a bit more volume for the braid to pop, this is where I like to add in a few clip-ins. Now, I'm wearing the 20-inch seamless dimensional natural blonde clip-ins from Luxy Hair, who kindly sponsored today's video. These extensions blend so beautifully and I love the fullness that they add to my hair. I'll link them below for you along with my code AlexGabery if you want to check them out. So start by gathering your hair into a loose, low ponytail and secure it with a soft hair elastic. Then gently slide the elastic down an inch or two. Now, using your index fingers and thumbs, create a clean opening above your hair elastic. Flip your ponytail up and pull it all the way through the opening, then tightening once through. Next, grab below your topsy tail with one hand and with the other, slide your elastic out of your hair completely. Now, divide your ponytail into 3 equal sections and begin a 3-strand braid by crossing the right section over the middle, then the left over the new middle, continuing all the way down, and then secure with a clear hair elastic. Such a simple technique. I love the detail that the topsy tail makes. Next is a faux French braid. It's perfect if you have layers or you want a hairstyle that holds all day. Start by gathering all the hair just below your temples and secure it with a small hair elastic. Now, using your index fingers and thumbs, create a clean opening just above your hair elastic and then flip your ponytail up and pull it all the way through the opening and tighten gently. Then pinch and pull on your twists to add texture and volume. Then gather the hair on both sides of your neck, leaving the middle down because we're going to use our original ponytail as the middle of our braid. Now begin a classic 3-strand braid by crossing the right section over the middle, then the left over the new middle. From here, we're going to add in the remaining loose hair. So take a section from the right and add it to the right strand, and then cross it over the middle. And I like to slide my fingers down the sections to prevent the ends from tangling. Now take a section from the left, add it into the left strand, and cross it over the middle. And any remaining hair can now be added to your right. From here, continue braiding all the way down, and I pull my sections outwards to prevent the ends from tangling. Then secure it with a clear hair elastic. This is such a beautiful hairstyle. It will definitely be my go-to for spring. This last style looks like a Dutch braid into a ponytail, but it's actually so much easier. Start by sectioning the hair off above your ears and clip it up out of the way. Then take the remaining hair and secure it into a tight, low ponytail. Let the top section down, smooth it back, and divide into 3 equal pieces. Begin a classic 3-strand braid, crossing the outer strands under the middle, starting on the right, then the left, continuing until you braid just below your ponytail. Then gently pinch and pull the sides to fan out your braid and secure with a small hair elastic. Now, slide your fingers between 2 of the braided sections just above your ponytail and pull your ponytail all the way through. And voila! I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.